So, are you all excited looking at the table today?
Yeah!
So, what are we going to be doing today?
Doing a pizza.
You making a pizza? Yes, you're right. We're going to be making a pizza. Okay, so let me tell you the game. You have 7 spins each. Whatever you get will be what you would put in your pizza. Okay, I'm going to give you 3 basic ingredients, which is the pizza base, the sauce, and the cheese. You need cheese, right? That's what is going to make it.
Beverly can have
Yum.
pizza.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! That looks nice. Okay, so who wants to start first? Okay, Alan gets to start.
I love Papa too.
What do you want, Alan? Okay, Cheryl, it's your turn to spin the wheel now. Strawberries?
Yeah.
Do you like strawberries?
Ah.
Oh, but you got tomato!
Blue strawberry.
Okay, so we're done with round 1 and it's round 2 now. Alan, it's your turn to spin.
I hope I want Pringles, please. Go. Pringle.
Oh, you got ham! That's gonna be super tasty on your pizza, Alan. Okay, so Cheryl's turn to spin the wheel now. Wow, Cheryl, what would you want to have this time?
Pringles.
So Cheryl also wants Pringles.
I'm gonna hit him.
Oh, you got onion. But Cheryl, you know what? You're getting real good ingredients which goes into a pizza. So, are we ready for round number 3?
Yes.
Cross your fingers, cross your fingers. Yeah, Alan, you got cottage cheese. Oh, what happened? You don't like it? Aww. Don't worry, Alan, that's gonna taste really good. So Cheryl, it's your turn to spin the wheel now.
Yay! I got M&M's, Mama.
M&M's! Yes, Cheryl, you got M&M's. Okay, so what do you all wish to get now?
Pringles.
Both of you want Pringles.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see how your luck is in round number 4.
Oh. Yeah!
Oh yes, Alan! You got what you wanted! Pringles! Okay, so Cheryl, it's your turn now. Let's see if you can get lucky too. What are you gonna get, Cheryl?
Oh no, she got lots of sweet stuff.
So it's round number 5 now. Yes, Alan, go ahead and spin it and let's see what you get in this round. Oh no, he gets ham again. That's okay, Alan. I think ham is what's going to make your pizza very yummy. Spin and see if you get chicken now. Whoa, looks like luck is favoring both of you and you've got chicken! Okay, so it's round number 6 now and Alan, spin the wheel. Yay, you've got corn! Yummy, yummy corn! I love corn! Let's see what the magic wheel gives you. Okay, so let's see what Cheryl gets now. Oh no, she got capsicum. Hey, how did this magic happen? How did it become chips now? Alan, naughty sweetie boy. You did that for your sister.
Thank you, Alan. You're welcome, Cheryl.
It's the last round and Alan wishes to get M&M's. Woo! Alan, it's M&M's! Yes, Cheryl, it's your last spin for this game. Come on. Go ahead and spin. What is it going to be? It's gonna be it's tomato sauce! Yummy, yummy! So yes, Cheryl, just go round and round. Okay, so we are done with all the rounds now and it's time for the pizza to go into the oven!
Wait, we got one thing.
What is
The
it?
cheese.
Oh yes, you're right. We forgot the cheese. How could we forget the cheese? That's the main thing that's going to make the pizza yummy.
Our pizzas are looking colorful because we put M&M's.
Okay, so here you go with your baked pizzas. So how does it look? Okay, so let's taste and see whose pizza tastes the best.
Yum!
Yum? Seriously? Is it really yummy?
Yeah.
Cheryl, how's your pizza tasting?
My pizza is blue.
Yours is tasting blue.
I'm so colorful. I know it's yummy because of this. If I was tasting and now if I taste it, I will just taste
Cheryl, what happened? Why did you eat your pizza?
It's yucky.
It's yucky.
Mine is yummy.
Yummy? Well, I'm going to taste your pizzas too. The colorful looking pizza. Okay, so after tasting both the pizzas, we think that Alan's pizza is the yummiest.